Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can show the edit history feature in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. So if, let's say for instance, guys, you would like to restore a previous version of your spreadsheet or take a look at the changes you have made so far here in your spreadsheet. All you need to do, guys, to make that happen is simply click on that magnifying glass here in the top left corner where it says search the menu. So click on it and type in edit history or simply edit age and select one of these options below. For instance, the option see version history to access your spreadsheet's version history. Alternatively, use the shortcut Control Alt Shift H. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, you will be given access to your spreadsheet's history. Here to the right, you may select, for instance, all versions or named versions and go through the dates and versions below to see how your spreadsheet or document has evolved over the time, or alternatively simply restore one of the previous versions by left clicking on it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.